working on GMetrix Excel Multi-Project 2. We're currently on Project 6 called Taco Stands. Task 1 asks us to go ahead and make a copy of Quarter 2, the Quarter 2 worksheet to the right of the Quarter 2 worksheet. So we'll go ahead and select that Quarter 2 worksheet. We're going to right click, we're going to click Move or Copy, and we're going to click Move to End because we want the copy to come to the right of Quarter 2, and we're going to make sure that we hit Create a Copy and then click OK. And it gives us a copy of that sheet and just puts the 2 in parentheses. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 2 asks us to go back to Quarter 2 sheet, and we're going to go ahead and show the formulas that are in each of these cells. So we're going to click the Formulas tab at the top, click Show Formulas, and notice here how it shows us not a return value, but the actual formula. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 3 asks us to go to the Quarter 1 sheet, and it tells us to select columns B through E. And what we're going to do is select a formatting here, the US dollar symbols, left align, decimal points align. So we're going to go ahead and click the Home tab, and under this Numbers, we want to click the down arrow here and click the $ English United States. And we went ahead and it did it all for us right there. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 4 asks us to go to the chart here, and it wants us to change the X and Y. So what we're going to do is from here because we have that chart selected, we're going to get these special tabs at the top for chart tools. We'll click Design, and we'll click Switch Row Column, and it switched it all for us. We'll click Mark Completed, and Task 5 asks us to go to the Quarter 2 worksheet, and it has us go all the way and select this chart. And what it wants us to do is to move the chart to its own sheet named Quarter 2 chart. Now you don't want to cut this and create a new sheet and do all that. You can right click, or with the Chart Tools Design tab, you can click Move Chart. So either way, we'll click Move Chart here, and we're going to click New Sheet, and we're just going to call it Quarter 2 Chart. We'll click OK, and notice it places that on a brand new chart. We'll click Mark Completed.